Everyone. Today we are going to discuss about IP security and what is IP security. IP stands for Internet Protocol Security, and which includes authentication and encryption of necessary security features related to IP protocol, and also which is issued by IPv6 protocol. So fortunately, these security capabilities were designed to be usable both within IPv4 and IP6 versions, Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. Now we will see the applications of IP security. So first one is secure branch office connectivity over the internet. So the company can build a secure virtual private networks over the internet or over a public WAN, wide area networks. So through this we can get the IP security. And second one is secure remote access over the internet. So if you are an end user, if you are trying to access the internet from the ISPs, there also we can use this IP security so that securely we can create a connection to access the internet. Third one is establishing extranet and intranet connectivity with partners. So IP security can be used to secure communication with other organizations also and ensure authentication and confidentiality are providing a key exit mechanism. So you can safely create a link between different companies so that you can exchange that data. And fourth one is enhancing electronic commerce security. So even though some web and electronic commerce applications have built-in security protocols, so this IP security also will provide the security for making connections. So now we will see how this IP security will be provided through this diagram. So you can see different type of things are there. So now you can see top. So we have tunnel mode format is there. New IP header is there. That's the first thing. Next encapsulation header will be there. Our virtual IP header will be there. Then IP payload, so which consists of your data. At the end, we have encapsulation headers trailer will be there and authentication in the ESPs header will also authentication header also will be there. So this is the tunnel format. Now we will see how your IP protocol security will be provided through between users. So you can see the diagram. So we have Lagrange and unprotected IP traffic is there, traffic protected security is there, and virtual tunnels are there. So these are the three important parts which consists from user to the other users. So different fields are there. So you can see switches are there, networking devices with IP security is there. So these are the things. So switches, IP security, networking devices, and these are the users. And this is the internet connection. So this part is nothing but virtual tunnels that connected from different places. And this is the protected IP security field. So from this networking device to this is public internet. So we have secure channels are there, but this from users to the switches, we have unprotected IP traffic will be there. So this part is unprotected, but this part is protected, and these are the virtual tunnels. So this is how IP security architecture is defined. Now we'll see the benefits of IP security. When IP security is implemented in a firewall or a router, it provides strong security that can be applied to all traffic crossing the perimeter. Yes, definitely. IP security in a firewall is resistant to bypass if all traffic from the outside must use IP. The firewall is the only means of entrance from the internet into the organization. Definitely, every organization will maintain firewalls. So through that firewalls only, our data will be passed. So these firewalls as well as IP security will take in care of the security of the data. IPsec is below the transport layer, so which comes and which is available in your network layer. So in transport layer, we have TCP and UDP protocols and is to transparent to application. There is no need to change software on a user or server system when IP security is implemented in the firewall. So simply we can use IP security, no need to change anything. IP security can be transparent to end users. There is no need to train users on security mechanisms, issue keying materials, and a per user basis or revoke keying materials when users leave the organization. So easily you can install and that will be accessed by the users. IP security can provide security for individuals users if needed. This is useful for offsite workers and for setting up a secure virtual subnet work within organization for sensitive application. So this IP security can be allocated to each and every individual user. For example, if you take any organization, so you can add these things in the firewall so that firewall plus IP security will provide the security. For some users, you can give this as additional security. IP security can give you as additional security so that whatever content, whatever sensitive data they are exchanging from organization to others will be protected. So no attackers can access that particular type of data. So that is the another advantage with IP security model. So now we will see what are the IP security can assure that. So this is the application routing application related IP security. A router advertisement, that is a new router advertise is present. So comes from an authorized router. So, and the second point is a neighbor advertisement comes from an authorized router. And a redirect messages comes from router to which the initial IP packet was sent. A routing update is not forced. So these are the main benefits related to routers. So if any router is added into network, that can advertise, neighbors also can advertise, and redirect messages also come from the router to initial IP packets. So these are the four important applications which is helpful for the routers. And this where you can apply, how you can apply means these are the three important places we can use IP security like architectural and authentication headers, encapsulation security payload, ESPs. So these are the three places that this IP security model will be applied. Through this also we can apply. This is the small introduction about IP security architecture. Thank you.